everyone, I'm Sarah, a junior business analyst in the Discovery Bank team, and today I'll be talking about competitive intelligence in the world of software development. There are others on their thoughts on this topic. Many imagine scenarios of buying or developing high-tech security tools to uncover your competitive strategy. Well, I'm here to tell you that PI is far from a spin-off. It's entirely on the legal side of things. Competitive intelligence is about staying ahead of the game. It's knowing your competitors, identifying market fits, uncovering new opportunities, and building strategies that keep you in the lead. Essentially, it's about understanding your competitors' strategies before they even implement it. In an industry driven by constant innovation and rapid technological shifts, how do software companies maintain their competitive edge? That's where CI comes in. The goal isn't just to survive, but to thrive in a fast-paced digital world. So, let's explore why CI is the game changer in software development. Firstly, what is competitive intelligence? Competitive intelligence is the process of gathering, analyzing, and applying information about your competitors, markets, technological developments in order to inform strategic decision making. It allows businesses to make informed choices, anticipate industry shifts, and drive innovation. Historically, CI has been around for a long time. There are many notable authors in the field that describe CI as gaining knowledge and foreknowledge about the external environment. Its society and competitive intelligence describes CI as the timely and fact-based data on which organizations can rely on for decision-making and strategy development. CI involves industry analysis, vector analysis, and benchmarking. As software companies face constant technological evolution, tools such as online analytics processing, data mining, and dashboards have emerged as crucial parts of CI. These tools help companies to track their competitors' moves, predict market trends, and adjust their strategies accordingly. Now, why is CI important? There are several reasons to why CI is important in software development, and I'll walk you through a few ones. Firstly is rapid market evolution. The software industry moves at a lightning speed. New frameworks, programming languages, and platforms emerge all the time. CI helps developers and product teams stay ahead of these trends. For example, knowing that you early on that your competitor is shifting towards a cloud-native architecture or AI integration enables your company to innovate in those areas as well, thus staying relevant in the ever-changing market. Next up is innovation and product development. Competitive intelligence helps your company identify market gaps and prioritize features that will set your product apart. If you know what your competitors are working on, and more importantly, what they're missing, you can capitalize on those opportunities. For example, let's say your competitor is working on a project management tool that lacks a strong collaboration feature. You can fast start development for better collaboration tools in your software in order to gain a competitive edge. Next up is strategic positioning. CI enables you to refine your market positioning by analyzing your competitive pricing, their customer support models, and overall strategy. This is especially important when you're developing a new product or moving into a new market. By knowing exactly where your competitors stand, you can identify gaps and differentiate your products in ways that attract more customers. Speaking of customers, customer-centric development is another key reason. PI isn't just about watching your competitors, but understanding your customers better. By monitoring social media, user forums, and reviews, you can uncover customer pain points that your competitors just aren't addressing. If customers are constantly complaining about a poor user experience in a rival app, that's an opportunity for you to step in with a new superior product and win over those dissatisfied customers. Now, how do we use CI in software development? After doing your planning and defining your direction for your CI strategy, data collection is first. CI data can come from various resources such as patent filings, competitor websites, user reviews, and developer forums. Automation tools such as web scrapers and analytics platforms can help track competitor activity in real time, providing a solid foundation for the CI strategy. Next up is data analysis. Once the data is collected, it is crucial to analyze. This can mean comparing competitor products, performing SOX analysis, or using predictive analytics to forecast future trends. There are various tools that can be used for data analysis. Next up is collaboration across teams. CI insights should be shared across your product management, marketing, development, and leadership teams. A cross-functional approach ensures that everyone is aligned on the company's competitive standards. And lastly, acting on your insights. The final step is taking action. Use AI to refine your product roadmap, prioritize features that offer a market advantage, and adjust your go-to-market strategy to capitalize on your competitors' weaknesses. There are several tech companies that have successfully used AI to maintain their competitive advantage. Let's take a look at an example. Microsoft is well known for the use of AI, particularly in cloud computing. When Amazon Web Services began dominating the cloud markets, Microsoft used AI to analyze AWS's pricing, features, and customer feedback. They responded by developing Microsoft Azure, focusing on enterprise integration as well as competitive pricing. Today, Azure is a major player in the cloud space. In the ever-evolving world of software development, competitive intelligence is not a luxury, but a necessity. AI helps companies to innovate faster, make smarter decisions, and adapt to the changes that define the tech landscape. By investing in the right tools and fostering collaboration across teams, your company can stay multiple steps ahead of the competition. In the fast-moving world of software development, competitive intelligence is a source which not just reacting to the market, but helping scale. Thank you.